put another blanket because it's so cold, especially while it's become more windy. Sometimes in night the police come by that. They make a noise, sometimes it's horrid, too annoying us. It's not easy to stay here, it's really hard. We were 9 persons. We buy a boat in Yours in France. It was a night near 10 o'clock, and we tried to pass from here. But the police was watching us and they arrested us.
C'est 40 minutes. Au bout de 40 minutes, il n'a aucune chance de survivre. Il y en a qui nous demandent des life jackets. Et nous apprenons à nos bénévoles, et c'est très difficile, que c'est pas une bonne chose de leur donner parce qu'ils vont se sentir en sécurité parce qu'ils ont un gilet de sauvetage.
Because the smugglers want more money than before. They knew that people need to pass as soon as possible.